Now, take it easy, Herman. You'll be all right.
This is the worst attack you've ever had. You know it was on account of you we missed half the movie? I never even got to see it. The creature ate New Jersey.
Oh, Grandpa, he ate it all the way up to Atlantic City. That ought to be enough to satisfy anyone.
I don't know why everyone's making such a big fuss over a few little hiccups.
Oh, boy. I'll say one thing, though. His hiccups aren't as bad as they were.
I sure hope they go away.
Oh, no. Don't tell me Pop's got the hiccups again.
Oh, yes, and it was so embarrassing. Right in the middle of the movie, all the people at the drive-in got so mad because he hiccuped and the screen fell down.
It must have been a very cheap drive-in. When we demanded our money back, the manager ran and hid behind the box office.
If we don't cure Uncle Herman's hiccups, we won't get any sleep tonight.
25 glasses of water, and even that didn't work.
Okay, Grandpa.
Oh, boy.
Wait a minute. I've got an idea for another cure. You take a deep breath, and then you hold it as long as you can, and the hiccups go away.
Well,
Oh, come on, Uncle Herman. It's almost 12 o'clock.
Hey, go ahead, Herman. Inhale.
well, I'll try.